Hi, my name is Arya, and in today's video, we will be going over the portable speaker kit, which contains 2 JBL speakers and the MP3 player. Inside the JBL speaker box includes the charging cord, the starter guide, and the speaker itself. To turn on the speaker, firmly press down on the power button and the light should turn on. To connect your device via Bluetooth, quickly hold down on the Bluetooth button and it should start blinking. If you're using your cell phone, go to the Bluetooth settings and the speaker should come up as JBL Flip 6. Click on it and you should now be connected to the speaker. To pause or play from the speaker, press the play button. If you want to skip from your speaker, double-click the play button. To increase the volume of the speaker, press the plus button, and to decrease it, press the minus button. To connect to nearby speakers, simply press the party boost button on the speakers, and you will hear the speakers connect, and you will see a white light indication on the speakers. The speaker that you first connected to will be the master speaker that will control the other speakers. You also have the option to download the JBL Portable app on your device's app store. The app gives you more flexibility and options for the speaker, like adjusting the EQ, creating a stereo mix with the 2 speakers, and seeing Party Together, which is the app's Party Boost mode. To charge your speaker, plug in the charging cord to the port. With your own charging block, you can plug it in to any outlet. When the speaker is fully charged, the power bar will be fully lit up and will gradually lower as the power lowers. That is how to operate your JBL Flip speaker. Another device available for your use to connect to the speaker is the digital MP3 player. Inside the kit includes a user manual, headphones, a mini SD card adapter, and the MP3 player itself. On the side of the device is the power button. Lightly click and it should turn on. On the home screen, use the arrows to browse apps and the play/pause button to select. Once you have Bluetooth selected, go to the device list and select the JBL Flip 6. You are now connected. Use the back button to go to the home screen and go to the music app. On the MP3, you also have the option to import your own music. First, take out the micro SD card located on the side of the MP3 player. Then put the micro SD into the micro SD card adapter and plug the adapter into your computer. Then convert your desired songs to MP3 files. When you're done with that, simply just drag the MP3 music files onto the micro SD card. Then put the micro SD card back into the MP3 player. On the MP3, you will now head over to Music, and you will go down until you see Card folder, and there you will see the music you added. There's already a wide variety of songs downloaded to the device for your use. You can increase or decrease the volume, skip or go back, all from the device itself. This is how to use the MP3 player. And there you have the portable speaker. If you have any questions, please contact the Technical Services window.